Kim from Kimball Creations. The amazing concept art you've seen here was drawn by Matthew S. Armstrong, and everything else you've seen here was created by me. I've been working as a visual designer in the gaming and marketing industries since 1998. And last year, I wanted to try something new. I've been 3D printing and 3D modeling since 2015, just as a hobbyist. And I've loved tabletop gaming. I love the entire concept, awaiting fate's verdict, and Dice Towers do it in style. So many of you joined us in our first Kickstarter venture, Fate's End, last year. My expectations and hopes were completely blown away by your support. It was a huge success. The previous campaign was for 14 Dice Towers, but thanks to the outpouring of support from backers, we were able to unlock a total of 35 Dice Towers, 35 decorative towers, and 8 dice jails. What you see here represents over 2,000 hours of 3D modeling alone. I've learned a lot from our previous campaign, and I've been working hard to collect feedback from backers and devise ways to provide a smoother process from communication to file delivery. I'm really excited for this campaign. I've been planning it since April of last year, and I hope you're as excited as I am. I have an extensive plan for stretch goals this time, and I can't wait to share them with you. Please join us in this adventure together, and we can change our future a little bit.